You know, if it's your hip, you want.
Dig off! Ah, it's driving me mental, man. I just want to be able to stretch my arm. Ooh. Today is the day. We are on our way to St. Paul's Hospital. There's a lot of traffic. Guess we'll see how it goes when we get there. Wish me luck, guys. Wish me luck. All right, I'm just parking right now. We're gonna get ready. We're gonna walk over to the hospital. Oh, I can't wait to take this fucking thing off. Ah, guess we're gonna go do that. Let's go for a walk. I don't know where I'm going. I just had x-rays. And we wait.
You know, if it's your hip, you want that on, right? Yeah.
All right, got yourself a new arm. Be in a brace for about pretty sure about a month, maybe longer. Who knows? I don't even know where I am now. I'm lost again. We saw the surgeon. Surgery went pretty well. I am not to lift over 5 pounds, which is basically a cup of coffee. My arm feels so free right now. It's so nice. The only crappy thing is this brace that I got here. Is it's about 170, 180 bucks. So.
Good, how are you? Good. Hey, you're still here?
By card, I didn't even know. Here you go.
Thank you.
Perfect.
Perfect.
I'll just print up your receipt.
Okay. All right, so we made it out. My physio is to, if my arm is at a 90 degree, that's when I can do my little turns here. Okay, other than that, my job is to only go like this. Yeah, 170 bucks just for this stupid thing. Free healthcare, my ass. It's gonna be a long road. Like I've been already told, it's gonna be a few months. So, yeah. Wish me luck, I guess. All I wanted when I left the hospital and I got out of surgery was a Baconator, and I got that Baconator right here. Now it's time to go visit my mother in the hospital. My mother's not doing the greatest right now. Now I gotta take care of her. She took care of me for a couple weeks. She ended up getting really sick. Now I gotta take care of her. So just on my way over to Vancouver General Hospital. She's gonna be okay. I know it. Physio routine right here. Arm at 90 degrees. Basically, try turning the palm flat. Fuck, it hurts. And the other one is turning the palm flat this way, which is, my hand starts shaking a bit. This one I don't like, but it is getting easier the more I do it. But just trying to lay it flat while holding it like that, I'm really holding it. Comparing it to, like, you know, there's no effort. No effort here. I'm just chilling. Do it with this. It's hard. Movement is pretty decent. Yeah. It's fucking swollen. That is swole. It is swollen. It is swollen. Ugh. Power chords are hard to do. Yeah, it's hard to do power chords. It's a little more twistage involved. Yeah, I can't press it the same. But regular chords, not too bad. Let's try it off the clamp here. Well, at least I'm that much closer to being mentally sane. Absolutely beauty day. I'm just out for my walk. Been actually a lot more mobile than I thought. Can't lift more than an apple. I guess you see the arm. It is what it is. But we're getting by, we're getting through it. And I would say it's nice to be able to be mobile. I can use this hand for typing and for, well, not very much else. I can't really do anything other than roll joints and hold a bag of chips, basically. And you see how the day unfolds. Oh yeah, so mobility wise, basically, if you look on here, it's got some markers. I can basically get my notch to the 50 mark. I don't know if it's showing up on the camera because the camera is kind of not good at zooming in on things. For the most part, this is working actually pretty decent. Showering is way better. When I washed the dead skin off my hand, my tattoo looked brand new again. It was so bright, it was so cool. Other than that, it still sucks having this thing on, but it definitely beats the cast, so. All right, so yeah, my physio basically consists of this. Arm at a 90-degree angle, okay? Sitting at a table and basically rolling my hand over like this. But it's gotta be at a 90. He said, don't straighten your arm. Now I can feel tension. I think I took a video of this earlier to show you guys. I'm not shaking like I was earlier. It's only been a few hours. I think that has to do with sleeping. Can also roll my hand over like this. And the other cool thing is I've been playing guitar today, but I can't do power chords. Certain things I can't do with my hands still. It's really hard. Definitely feel a difference. The arm is super swollen still. The elbow is still super swollen, but I've lost all the muscle in my forearm and my bicep. So that kind of sucks. But at the end of the day, man, I'm really just happy that I'm moving. And I feel like anything could always be worse. So I'm just trying to look at the positives through all this. And the other thing about my physio too, like I was saying, is basically just moving the arm up and down and, you know, pushing it ever so much, ever so often. Like I said, I'm getting to the 50 mark. And I think he's got it set up so I can't really pass that mark anyways. And my arm doesn't want to anyways. I've already tried to, you know, I had it off and I wanted to see how much I can put my arm straight. My arm's basically stuck. There's no, there is no going any straighter than it already is. So going from there, yeah, I guess it's just gonna happen in time. This is only it's only been 24 hours of this being on, cast off. Stitches are really swollen. I can see why they re-bandaged it. First I was like, why are they putting a bandage on this? But this morning after the shower, it's, man, is it ever tender. I also don't have much feeling in my elbow. When my mom was helping me put the bandage back on my elbow, I was telling her, I can't even feel you touching. Like, there's definitely lots of nerve damage in that area. I don't know if it'll come back. I guess we'll keep track and progress if it comes back or not. But I mean, I guess it's not the worst thing in the world to not be able to feel where I fall. Right? But anyways, beautiful day here. And yeah, we're just gonna chill for a bit. I don't have much else to do. Yeah.